you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a one brand makeup tutorial for you guys, and that brand is Maybelline. So I just realized that I have a lot of Maybelline products, and Maybelline was also my first ever makeup brand that I started using. I started putting makeup when I was in my graduation, 12th class tak I was not even allowed to touch makeup, and then I used to go to those cosmetic stores with my mom and just buy all those lipsticks and everything, and that's the moment that I always cherish because I only shop with my mom. Even till now, I just love shopping with her. Now the difference is that I buy my makeup all from Nykaa mostly. So yes, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup using all the Maybelline products, and the look that I'm gonna create for you guys is the foxy eye makeup look. So if you guys don't know, this makeup look is so much on trend these days. Like every single blogger, every single person is carrying this foxy eye makeup look, which is of course absolutely amazing. So I thought of creating my version of foxy eye makeup look using all the Maybelline products. So I have collected all the Maybelline products that I have, and I think I'm missing one highlighter and an eyebrow pencil. I think I'm gonna make it work using eyeshadow palettes because I've got 3 eyeshadow palettes of Maybelline. So yeah, without any more talking, let's just quickly get started with the video. So I've zoomed in my camera and I just realized that I do not have primer as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these ice cubes, which is melting. So I'm just gonna take these ice cubes and rub it on my face so that, you know, it helps me tighten my pores, and you know, I can just begin with my makeup this way. It feels amazing to use eyes. Yeah. Oh ma.
No worries, I have one more in the bowl. I love rubbing ice on my face. It's like my favorite thing to do every single morning. And Royce is here. He thinks that I'm eating something without him. Can I do it on camera, baby?
I'm just gonna wait for 2-3 minutes and I'm gonna let it dry this way only. And I'm just gonna pat my face meanwhile. My face is dried and I've also applied a lightweight moisturizer on my face. Now we're gonna start with our makeup. Now the products that I own from the brand Maybelline, trust me, these are one of the best products of Maybelline. So whatever I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video, you can take a word for it. These all products are one of the best products from the brand Maybelline. So we're gonna start our makeup by applying foundation, and for that I'm gonna go ahead and use my trustworthy foundation, that is Fit Me foundation. This foundation is so good for its price. It is one of the best foundations I have ever used. It's like magic. It comes in so many shades that every girl out there can find her shade in this foundation range. So this is the foundation that I'm gonna use. The only bad thing about this foundation is that it doesn't come with a pump. So this is how it is, but it's okay. Like for the price and like for the coverage that it gives, it is way too good. So you can definitely get your hands on this foundation if you're looking forward to buy one. So I'm just gonna take some amount at the back of my hand. I'm gonna dab it all over my face. Alright, and I forgot to tell you guys my shade. It's 128, which is warm beige.
Do you guys see how beautifully it sits on your skin? I totally love using this foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit onto my neck.
It's a medium coverage foundation. So if you're looking forward to build it, then you can take some more amount. But I think I'm fine with it since I don't want it to be perfect. Like I'm fine with the coverage. So once we are done using a foundation, then I'm gonna go ahead and move to the concealer. I think this concealer is world's best concealer, and I'm sure that many of the girls would agree with me. So this is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is how the packaging looks. So I'm in the shade 130, which is medium. And I'm just gonna squeeze out some amount and we'll make an inverted triangle under my eyes.
I'm also going to take some onto my eyelids.
And now I'm just gonna blend it all in really nicely. Can you guys see the difference? The way it has brightened up my under eyes. I just totally love using this concealer, and I think my base is almost done. Now I'm just gonna mattify my entire base using their Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and this is how it looks. It has a mirror and it also comes with a puff. So as you guys can see, I have used a lot of products, and I have to say this is my third compact powder from the same range. I love using these compact powder. They are so good for the price, and I think they only retail about for rupees 175 or something. And I am in the shade, it doesn't have the shade mentioned. And I I'm in the shade light beige, so this is what I really like to use. I love to keep it inside my bag whenever I'm out because this is so inexpensive that even if it gets ruined inside my bag, I really don't mind it. So yeah, this is the compact powder that I really love using it. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this compact powder to mattify my entire base. Gonna set my under eyes as well. So our base is done and now we're gonna contour our face. So for this I'm using Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. Now I realize that I do have a highlighter of Maybelline. So basically this is the duo stick that I use most of the time. I really like to use their contour shade because it goes perfectly with my skin tone, and as you guys can see, I just have like a little bit left. And on the other side it comes with a highlighter which I really haven't used much. So this is the highlighter. So using the contour stick, I'm gonna just contour my face, and the trick is to make a 3. Using a brush, I'm just gonna blend it in. Can you guys see how beautifully my contour shade has blended with my foundation? And after contouring, now we're gonna move to our eyes and eyebrows. Now I have got 3 eyeshadow palettes from Maybelline. So these are the eyeshadow palettes that I'm talking about, and this is my first ever eyeshadow palette of Maybelline. Not just like from Maybelline, this is like my first ever eyeshadow palette that I ever bought, and I bought it from a cosmetic store that I was talking about, that I go with my mom and everything. So this is the palette that I bought it for the very first time, and yeah, it's very old, I'm not kidding, but I just don't feel like throwing it away. I don't know, I just want to keep it with me forever. I don't know if it still works, I haven't really. It comes with all the nude shades. My second Maybelline palette is this Maybelline Gigi Hadid palette. I use this one a lot. I use it to do a lot of my festival makeup looks. So this is how it looks. Then my third Maybelline palette is this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I again have used this a lot. This is one of the recent, not very recent, but this is just like months old, and I have used this palette a lot, as you guys can see. So these are the 3 palettes that I have from Maybelline, and today I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my oldest palette. So this is the palette that I'm gonna use today, and I'm just gonna take this dark brown shade here to fill in all my brows. I'm just gonna do it using a brush, so I hope it turns out well. It is pigmented. It is still so pigmented. Oh god. Guys, I finally did my brows. I did it using an eyebrow razor. I'm so proud of the results. Gosh, it's so pigmented, yeah. Like, I was not expecting this palette to be so pigmented. I bought it years ago. Oh god. Does it look okay? I think this one looks quite thick. I've never used eyeshadow for my eyebrows. This is one experiment that I did today.
Okay, I'm really not sure about this eyebrow. I think it looks a little big.
I'm gonna run this brush. So yeah, as you guys can see, my eyebrows look really full right now. I didn't realize that this palette is gonna be so pigmented because it is years old. So we are done with our brows, and now we're gonna start with our foxy eye makeup look. So what are we gonna do is that we're gonna take a concealer, right? We're gonna brighten up a little, like our under eyes, just from the inner corner, and then I'm also gonna brighten up my outer corner like this. I'm just gonna make a line, right? Using a brush, I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye.
So this is what you have to do. You basically have to make a line like this. Then again, using my blending brush, I'm gonna blend it all in.
Okay, I'm again gonna take my Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick, and I'm gonna take this contouring shade, and then again I have to make a line like this. Can you guys see it? Should I zoom in a little more? Yeah. So you again have to draw a line like this. So basically I'm just trying to lift up my eyes because that's what foxy eyes looks like, and just gonna blend it in.
I have to blend it in the upward position.
Then after doing that, I'm gonna take my contouring shade and just use it to lift up my eyes. So basically I have to just make my eyes lift. So I'm gonna put my contouring shade onto the outer corner of my eyes and I'm gonna take it upwards.
Just gonna blend it in, and I also have to blend it in an upward direction.
Then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Hyper Glossy eyeliner. I'm gonna line my upper lash line, but I'm gonna do it in a different way, so you guys pay attention please. So I'm gonna take my eyeliner from the inner corner of my eyes and then I'm gonna take it upwards. So can you guys see? I'm gonna make a very thin line and then I'm gonna take my ring onto the upwards direction. So I'm done with my first eye and now I'm also gonna do the other eye. So I'm done with both of my eyes and now using a concealer onto my blender.
I'm just gonna clean.
We're done with our eyes and now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is one of the best mascaras I have ever used, and let me tell you that any mascara from Maybelline is good. I might buy mascaras from other brands, but I always end up using mascaras from Maybelline. Those are my favorite and they do some amazing job with their mascaras. So yeah, I'm gonna take their mascara and just put a lot of it so that my eyes look really big. Can you guys see the difference? How beautiful my eyes look? They look a lot bigger now and I really love Maybelline mascaras. So we are done with almost everything, but our makeup is incomplete without putting blush. So here I'm gonna go ahead and use this Maybelline Fit Me blush. I just realized that I have a lot of Fit Me range from their brand. So yeah, I'm gonna use this blush. This is quite pinky, as you guys can see. It's actually their rose blush and I'm just gonna put a lot of it. Now for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lipstick, and for this I'm using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Ravishing Rose. This is how the packaging looks. I clearly remember that it was also very inexpensive. Every product that I have is really inexpensive. So this is how the color looks. It's quite pinky. I really wanted to apply some color on my lips. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this beautiful pink shade on my lips. We are done with our makeup. I really love how my version of Foxy Eyes has turned out to be. Now let's move to the last part of the makeup, which is applying highlighter. And for that, again, I'm gonna use my Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. I'm gonna use the highlighter side. So this is how the highlighter looks. I'm just gonna use it to highlight my beauty points. It does a pretty well job. Like, I didn't expect it. I like it. I love the highlighter. Like, I don't know why I never used it, but yeah, I really love how this look has turned out to be. I really love my version of Foxy Eyes with this rosy lips and rosy cheek. I really love it. So you guys, that's it for the video. This is the makeup look that I've created using all the Maybelline products, and let me tell you that all these products are best of Maybelline. I love how my version of Foxy Eyes makeup look has turned out to be using just Maybelline products. It looks so girly yet so mean, like in a foxy way, like kind of a mean girl makeup look. But I really love this look. It looks so pretty. Yeah, it's so easy to recreate, like anyone can pull it off. I just love it so much. If you guys also enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you guys want me to do any other particular brand's makeup tutorial, please let me know that as well. I would love to do it for you guys. And yeah, if you like this video, you know what you have to do. So please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you try this makeup look, then do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, so every time I post a video, you get notified. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye! Go ahead and apply. I'm really sorry, that's Royce. I don't know what has happened to him. Royce! And now for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lipstick. And for this, so I am done with my first eye. So I'm done with my first eye, and now I'm gonna Royce. So I'm done with my first eye, and now I'm done with.